welcome back to my channel, and today I have a wreath, a Deco Mesh wreath for you. A viewer requested that I do one for Valentine's Day, and I said sure, no problem. So let me show you what you'll need to make the project. I think it's going to be really cute. You're going to need one of these Dollar Tree metal wreath rings, and it's 14 inches. Then I bought some of this Dollar Tree pink ribbon, and I have 2 of them. I'm not sure how many I'll need. And then some of these little pink hearts. I think they're absolutely adorable. And then I have some of this. It's pink and red. I may not be able to use this, and I may have to dig and see if I have any more silver. I don't know. And then some ribbon, and this is the one that just have the sort of a pinkish, reddish heart on that. And now I looked at a Dollar Tree and tried to find Deco Mesh. I couldn't find any at all. So what, except just red, and I didn't want to just do a red one. So what I did is I picked this up. It's this real pretty Deco Mesh. It has the pink and the blues and the purples. And to me, it says Valentine's Day because I like red for Valentine's Day, but I prefer more the pink colors. So I picked up 2 of these, and they are, let's see, 10 inches by 10 inches. Now I got this at AC Moore, but I'm pretty sure I've seen these colors at other stores. And then I picked this up to go in the center, and it just says Love Grows Here. And I just think it's going to be really sweet and cute. So let me start cutting my Deco Mesh. Now what I'm going to do is cut my Deco Mesh 10 inches long. And you're going to need a glue gun, some scissors, a rotary cutter, and a mat. And other than that, you have everything that you need. Okay, so like I said, I want to cut my Deco Mesh 10 inches long. So that's what I'm going to do. Just cut it like that, and I will be back as soon as I get them all cut. I'll be right back. Okay guys, let me show you what I've done. I cut my Deco Mesh, and then these chenille ties, you can buy work wreaths for like $6, but I usually just make my own. So I took the Dollar Tree chenille ties, and I put 2 on the outside ring, and then 1 on this inside ring. And what we're going to do is make a ruffled wreath. And I did one like this for fall, so it's basically the same thing. And you see how this Deco Mesh wants to curl up. You take it and just put it like that, and then you just walk your fingers up and you hold it. It's really, really simple to do this. And make sure your finished edges are on the outside. And then I'm going to cross it. And since this is so light, I think I'm going to do a 3 to a bundle because it's just so light. I didn't really think about that when I bought it, but it's very transparent and delicate looking. Okay. So what I'm going to do, and it doesn't matter if you start on the inside or the outside. And I'm just going to open up this chenille tie, set it down in there, and give it a couple twists. Okay, and then that's what we have. Alright, and I'll do one more, but I'm pretty sure you already have the idea of what I'm doing. But I'll do one more. Just walk your fingers up. Kind of looks like a bow. And then you take this one, open it out, walk your fingers up, and you're just sort of gathering it. Then cross that over. It makes like a cross. And then we're going to, since I'm going to do 3, I'm going to do this again. And make sure your finished edges on the outside. And then just sort of lap this one back over that one and make like a star or a cross again. Then we're going to put it right here. Open up the ties. And then twist it. Make sure it's nice and secure. And that is that. And then I'll go all the way on the outside and then I'll go to the inside. Okay, I'll be right back as soon as I get all the Deco Mesh on. Okay, so I went all the way around the outside first and then I went around the inside. And it's not really coming across as pink as it is. It is a very light pink. But it definitely, you can tell it's pink, and I like how these chenille ties, the hot pink ones, are coming out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some of this Dollar Tree ribbon, the pink, and I'm going to cut it 13 inches long. And then I'll come back, and then we're going to add that to this, but it is so light, I might actually have to put something else in that so that it will be noticeable. So let me see what I can do and I'll be right back. Okay guys, what I did is I cut this pink ribbon, one bolt of it, 13 inches long, and I put 3 in each section, and I chevron the ends and I just put it in there because it's so light, but the red just doesn't, it clashes terribly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this sign on here, and then I think I'm going to put some hearts in that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chenille ties again, and I'm just going to glue some right here at the top, down here. Let me put this down. I'm going to put a lot of glue right on here to hold this. Glue this, push this down in all that glue. And let it set there until it's nicely glued. Another chenille tie down here and glue it the same way. And that's what I'm going to attach this to the metal frame with. Okay, and that is starting to dry, so I'm going to set this aside. And now what I think I'm going to do is take these little hearts, 2 different colors, and start placing them, cutting them off, or just snapping them off. You can actually snap these off. And just put them down in here. Sort of put them where I think I might want them, and then I'll glue them in. And when I get these put wherever I want them, I'll be back and show you me gluing them in. Okay guys, what I decided to do is I cut those hearts, and I think that's looking really nice, but I want to see where I want this actually attached in here. So I thought I would put this in first before I do anything else. And I'm just going to take it in here and loop it around the frame, and then just twist it, the chenille tie, back on itself. And this should hold it securely. Or I can even hook it to other chenille ties if I don't want it back in there really, really far. I can just go ahead and loop it with the chenille tie, and you never know. And then I'm going to hook this. I think maybe, sorry you can't see, but it's just so deep down in here. Okay. Now I'm just going to glue these little hearts around it where I want, and I'll be right back. Okay, I thought I'd let you watch me glue some of these hearts in here. I'm cutting them actually off with one of these little cutters, and I'm just gluing them where I want them. And I think it's really turning out cute. It would have been much prettier had I had a bigger sign, but I didn't. So that's all right. We're just going to go with it like it is. And I'm just going around and gluing it. So I'm just cutting this off like that. And I decided I wanted to put the red one behind. It's really kind of like a hot pink red. And I'm basically putting them where these little chenille ties are, and it kind of almost looks like a decoration. So I like that. But Dollar Tree has a lot of gorgeous signs, and I think I've seen this Deco Mesh at Walmart. I'm not sure, but I've seen it somewhere else. Now I just have 2 more, so I'll be back when I get those put on. Okay guys, I have all that on, and I feel like it still needs, it's really cute, but I feel like it needs something else as well. So I'm starting to take some of this ribbon, and I'm just going to start cutting some of it and see what I can do with it. I looped one, and I don't know if I want to loop it or if I want to just do something a little bit different. Okay guys, what I've decided to start doing is taking this and just cutting it so far and making 3 strips of it. That's pretty long, probably about 6 inches or 7 inches long. And then what I'm going to do is just gather it like that, like I did my ribbon. Find me a little bundle to put this down in, like right here. Open up a twist tie. Put it down in the twist tie. And secure it. Then all I have to do is open the ribbon up and separate it. And I think that adds a lot to it. I'm really liking that. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be back when I'm finished. Okay guys, here it is. It's finished. It's hard to see, but it is a really sweet, soft pastel Valentine's, but it's really hard to see it. So I'll put this up, not where I'm going to be hanging it, but because I don't know yet, but I'll put this up and then I'll film it and show you what it looks like where it is. Okay guys, I'm back. I just hung it in here in the dining room. It's not where I'm going to put it, but I ran out of these hearts, and I think it would have been really sweet if I could have put like a heart, some more hearts there and some more hearts there. But I think it turned out really cute. I think now, looking back, I wish I'd had a different sign in the center. But that one is really sweet. It says, "Love grows here." And then all the hearts going around and the delicate Deco Mesh. And I'll let you see it up closer. You can sort of see more of the pink that way. But I think it turned out really, really sweet. And so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.